Hello there YouTube. Okay, today I'm looking at how to create an email that needs a username and a password. Alright, if you are sending an email from your application, then you would already know that Microsoft produces an email snippet under, if we go to our snippets, go to other network connectivity and network, create an email message. And as you can see, first thing that it does, it imports a system.net mail. Alright, it allows us to have a message, the sender, which is where it's coming from, the email address where it's supposed to go to, the subject, the message text, and the email server. But it doesn't allow us to create network credentials. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking at. So the first thing we want to do is let us know when the message has been sent. So we're going to go message box done. Alright, that's just to tell us, okay, the message has been sent, completed. Okay, so this is the line of code that actually sends the message. So we need to attach everything to the send message. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is separate these and say, for example, alright, I want to send from my SMTP client, which is now me.textbox1, me.textbox1.text. okay, because on my form I have my SMTP, the username and password. Okay, now we need to create the credentials. We first declare it going dim, let's call it myc as new system dot network credentials. Okay, we're gonna go username and password, which is me.textbox1, textbox2, which is my username dot text, and my password would be me.textbox3 dot text. Okay, so now we've declared a credential, a network credential with a username and a password, which is textbox2 and textbox3, textbox2, textbox3. Okay, and now we need to attach it to our email client to send it. So we're going to go email client dot credentials, okay, equals myc. So now we've attached myc, which is the credentials, to the email client to send the message. Okay, and the message itself has got an email client SMTP, which is our SMTP. So our SMTP server will send the username and password when it sends the email. Okay, so let's just change this quickly. I'm going to use my restricted server is with Virgin, so I'm going to go okay, and I'm going to send it from my Intel world to my Intel world, which is double a no. Okay, the subject is going to be testing my email. Okay, and the message for our email is going to be, here it is. Wait. Okay, so let's go and fill out in our information. Our SMTP is smtp.ntlworld.com. My username, my password. I'm going to send our mail, and the email's been sent. Okay, now let's look at our account. Came through to the junk mail. Here it is, testing my email. Alright, so as you can see, it works fine. Okay, I'm just going to close this and just allow you to have a look at the code quickly. Alright, we've created a new system network credential with our username and password, and only attached it to our email client, which sends the message. Okay, and we have gotten our SMTP client from my actual email. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can send them to me. If you have any comments, they're all welcome. I think my next video, I'm just going to show you how to add attachments and how to blank carbon copy send an email to another customer. So have a look out for those videos. Otherwise, I shall speak to you later. Cheers.